Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to adapt your guys' steering wheel onto you guys' new quick release of choice. On top of that, we have the NRG 2.0 lock. I want to show you guys exactly how that works. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Every quick release, you're going to have the hardware that comes in. You're going to have a spacer for the horn, you're going to have the Allen head, and you have the 6 screws. It's going to be quite easy to install it after you guys get everything lined up because these have the specifics for whatever steering wheel it is. Now, after you figure out the steering wheel you want and the setup you want, you're going to easily match up the holes. Now, this is a little bit different on certain steering wheels because some of them have a horn button cover, which we'll get into installing the horn a little bit after. But what we're going to show you guys how you disconnect the quick release, quite simple, is the safety button here is going to come off and the ring is going to come up, and this is going to be your hand, and this is going to be the base for your car specific hub, which this connects to that piece, which we'll show you guys at the end. So let's go ahead and screw our steering wheel down. If you find the proper placement, you're going to go ahead and just screw it down. As you get all of them tightened down, you're going to have a button cover, at least on this steering wheel, to have 3 different options. Easily place it, double-sided tape right behind it, and like that. This will be your finished result, and obviously you have the car-specific hub that'll complete the whole setup. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now let's show you guys the quick lock real fast. Lock is going to be super easy. You take off the base from the quick release, go ahead and spin it over. Once the bearings lock it on inside, you're going to spin it, and it's going to lock. Now these only come with 2 sets of keys, so make sure you don't lose them, which are here, because then you'll need to buy another one. So when you find it, you place it down, you lock it, and it's all set to go, and it will not fall out. Bam. So if you guys want to grab a lock, secure down your setup a little bit more, make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Website link is in the bio. Thanks for watching.